Hello everyone, I'm Sonam here. Today's video is going to be about unique birds. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Plum-headed parakeet. The plum-headed parakeet, also known as Psittacula cynocephala, is a parakeet in the family Psittacidae. Now, what do you mean by the word parakeet? Parakeet is a small parrot with predominantly green plumage and a long tail. It is endemic to the Indian subcontinent and was once thought to be conspecific with the blossom-headed parakeet, Psittacula rosetta, but was later elevated to a full species. Plum-headed parakeets are found in flocks, the males having a pinkish purple head and the females a grey head. They fly swiftly with twists and turns accompanied by their distinctive calls. Brownwood owl. The brownwood owl, also known as Strix lectogrammica, is found in India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Taiwan and South China. The brownwood owl is a resident breeder in South Asia. This species is a part of the family of owls known as typical owls, which contains most species of owl. It belongs to the earless owl genus. This species is highly nocturnal and isn't commonly found in dense forests. It can often be located by the small birds that mob it while it is roosting in a tree. The diet of the brownwood owl consists mainly of small mammals, birds and reptiles. Fried monarch. The fried monarch, also known as Arcis telescopophthalmus, is a species of bird in the Monarchidae family. It is restricted to the forest on the New Guinea and nearby smaller islands, but historically it has included some or all of the remaining members of the genus Arcis as subspecies. It decorates the cup-shaped nest with the lichen. Ragina bird of paradise. The Ragina bird of paradise, Paradisaea ragina, also known as Count Ragi's bird of paradise, is a large bird in the bird of paradise family Paradisidae. It is distributed widely in southern and northeastern New Guinea, where its name is kumul. It is also known as Cendrawsii. The Ragina bird of paradise is the national bird of Papua New Guinea. In 1971, this species, as Jerris paradisea, was made the national emblem and was included on the national flag. The kumuls, birds of paradise in Tok Pisin, is also the nickname of the country's national rugby league team. Painted francolin. The painted francolin or painted partridge, Francolinus pictus, is a species of francolin found in grassy areas in central and southern India and in the lowlands of southeastern Sri Lanka. They are easily detected by their loud calls, especially during the breeding season. Thomas C. Jordan noted that the species was found mainly in central India, south of the Narmada and to the east of the Western Ghats, as well as the Chota Nagpur and the northern Sarkars. It can be confused only with the black francolin, with which it partly overlaps and is said to sometimes hybridize. This species can be told apart from the female of a black francolin by the lack of rufous hind collar and the white spots on the underside. The face is rufous and there is no dark stripe running behind the eye. Bronze-winged jacana. The bronze-winged jacana, Metopodus indicus, is a beautiful bird with its distribution across regions of South and Southeast Asia. This winged jacana is a member of the Metopodus genus in the Jacanidae family. It is the sole member of its species. Sole means not shared with others. It derives from a Latin word called solus, meaning alone. Winged jacana are found mainly in wetlands, marshes, ponds, and other water habitats. Female birds are bigger compared to the males. Males undertake the duty of looking after the nest. Striking features of this winged jacana include its bronze-brown wings, yellow bill, dark upper parts, and greenish legs. They usually eat insects and invertebrates. They are 29 cm long and they weigh around 150 to 350 grams. Strawberry finch. The red avardavert, red monia or strawberry finch is a sparrow-sized bird of the family Astrididae. It is found in the open fields and grasslands of tropical Asia and is popular as a cage bird due to the colorful plumage of the males in the breeding season. It breeds in the Indian subcontinent in the monsoon season. The species names of Amandava and the common name of avardavert are derived from the city of Ahmedabad in Gujarat, India, from where these birds were exported into the pet trade in former times. Shoebill bird. Shoebill is an unusual looking, very large stork-like bird, lives in large swamps from South Sudan to Zambia. The shoebill bird, identified by its unique features and also noted for its slow movements. It is 5 feet tall and mainly eats fish, occasionally frogs, snakes, snails, rodents, and even baby crocodiles. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.